Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amal. Okay. A treasury bill is a short-term US government debt obligation backed by the Treasury Department with a maturity of 1 year or less. Treasury bills are actually sold in denominations $100. However, some can reach a maximum denomination of $5 million in non-competitive bills. The working capital policy of a company refers to the level of investment in current assets for attaining their targeted sales. It can be of three types with restricted, relaxed, and moderate. The relaxed policy has highest and restricted has lower levels of current assets, whereas moderate places itself between relaxed and restricted. Commonly, these policies are also named as aggressive, conservative, and hedging policy. Okay, a mutual fund is a asset that's made up of a group of stocks, bonds, or other securities and is managed by a fund manager as a portfolio. Investors buy and sell shares of the fund at price set at the end of each trading day. Hedging is often considered an advanced investing strategy, but the principles of hedging are fairly simple, with the popularity and accompanying criticism of hedge fund. The practice of hedging became more widespread. Despite this, it is still not widely understood as either a path of strategy. People might not realize they hang many things in their daily lives, often having nothing to do with the stock market. Okay. Conservative investing is an investment strategy that prioritizes the preservation of capital over growth of market returns. Conservative investing thus seeks to protect an investment portfolio value by investing in lower risk securities such as blue chip stocks, fixed income securities, the money market, and cash or cash equivalents. The aggressive approach is a high-risk strategy of working capital financing, wherein short-term finance are utilized not only to finance the temporary working capital but also a reasonable part of the permanent working capital. In this approach of financing, the level of inventory account receivable and bank balance are just sufficient with no cushions for uncertainty. There is a reasonable dependence on the trade credit. Okay, commercial paper is a commonly used type of unsecured short-term debt instrument issued by corporations, typical use for the financing of payroll, account payable and inventory, and meeting other short-term liabilities. Maturities on commercial paper typically last several days and rarely range longer than 270 days. Okay, thank you.